NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has hardly opened its eyes, yet the universe it reveals is new to us. The cosmos, vast and incomprehensible, has always been a source of wonder for humanity. For centuries, we have gazed up at the night sky, imagining what secrets it might hold. As our technological prowess has advanced, so too has our ability to explore the universe beyond our own planet. In the pursuit of this cosmic knowledge, one tool has risen above the rest in recent years: the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. Launched in December 2021, the JWST represents the pinnacle of human ingenuity. It was designed to look farther and deeper into the universe than ever before, and it has not disappointed. In its relatively short time in operation, the telescope has already made numerous groundbreaking discoveries, each one more awe-inspiring than the last. But nothing could have prepared the scientific community for what it has just uncovered: a shocking object in space that challenges everything we thought we knew about the universe. This discovery, a terrestrial planet orbiting Proxima Centauri, is the nearest exoplanet ever found because it orbits the nearest star. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive news. When the James Webb Space Telescope was first conceived, its mission was clear: to build on the legacy of the Hubble Space Telescope by capturing images and data from the most distant reaches of the cosmos. With its advanced infrared capabilities, the JWST was designed to peer through the dense clouds of gas and dust that often obscure celestial objects, providing us with unprecedented clarity and detail. Scientists hoped it would answer some of the most profound questions about the origins of the universe, the formation of galaxies, and the potential for life on other planets. But what the telescope has just found was something no one expected: a celestial object so strange and enigmatic that it defies current scientific understanding. This object, located in a remote corner of the universe, was initially detected during a routine survey of distant galaxies. At first, it appeared to be just another faint smudge of light, one of the countless stars or galaxies that populate the cosmos. But as the data came in and astronomers began to analyze the findings, it quickly became clear that this was no ordinary object. For one, its spectral signature, a kind of fingerprint that reveals the composition and temperature of an object, did not match anything previously observed. Instead of the expected patterns of light emission from known elements like hydrogen, helium, or carbon, the object emitted a baffling array of wavelengths that suggested an entirely new type of matter. Moreover, the object's size and shape were unlike anything in the known universe. It was not a star, planet, or galaxy, nor did it fit the description of any known celestial body. Its dimensions were vast, stretching hundreds of thousands of light years across, yet it did not appear to have the mass or gravitational influence that such a large object should exert. It seemed to be both there and not there, a ghostly presence that defied the laws of physics as we understand them. The more astronomers studied it, the more questions arose. How could such an object exist? What could have caused it to form? And perhaps most intriguingly, what implications does its existence have for our understanding of the universe? As the data continued to pour in, scientists around the world began to speculate about the nature of this mysterious object. Some suggested it might be a previously unknown type of dark matter, the elusive substance that is thought to make up most of the mass in the universe, but has never been directly observed. Others proposed that it could be a new class of celestial phenomena, something so rare and exotic that it had never been seen before. Still, others wondered if it might be evidence of an advanced alien civilization, a technological structure so vast that it spans entire galaxies. Each theory, as wild as it might seem, was met with a mix of excitement and skepticism as the scientific community grappled with the implications of this discovery. One of the most fascinating aspects of this object is its apparent disregard for the known laws of physics. In particular, it seems to violate the principle of conservation of energy, one of the fundamental tenets of modern science. According to this principle, energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transferred or transformed. But the object in question appears to be emitting vast amounts of energy without any discernible source, as if it is tapping into a previously unknown reservoir of power. This has led some to suggest that it might be a kind of cosmic engine, a massive structure designed to harness the energy of the universe in ways we cannot yet comprehend. If this is the case, it would represent a technological achievement far beyond anything humanity has ever conceived, raising the tantalizing possibility that we are not alone in the universe. Another puzzling aspect of the object is its apparent ability to manipulate space-time. Observations suggest that it is surrounded by a region of distorted space where the normal rules of gravity and motion do not apply. In this region, light bends in strange ways, and time itself seems to slow down or speed up depending on the observer's position. This has led some to speculate that the object might be a kind of natural or artificial wormhole, a gateway that connects distant parts of the universe. If true, it could offer a new way of traveling across the cosmos, bypassing the vast distances that currently separate us from other stars and galaxies. Such a discovery would revolutionize our understanding of space and time, opening up new possibilities for exploration and communication. But perhaps the most shocking implication of this discovery is what it could mean for our understanding of the origins of the universe. For decades, the prevailing theory has been that the universe began with the Big Bang, a colossal explosion that created all matter and energy. According to this theory, the universe has been expanding ever since, with galaxies moving farther and farther apart. But the existence of this object challenges that view. Its strange properties suggest that the universe might be far more complex than we ever imagined, with hidden dimensions and forces that we are only beginning to understand. Some scientists have even proposed that it could be evidence of a multiverse, a vast collection of parallel universes, each with its own physical laws and properties. If this is true, it would mean that our universe is just one of many, a small part of a much larger and more diverse cosmic landscape. As the scientific community continues to study this object, the excitement and curiosity it has generated show no signs of diminishing. In fact, the discovery has sparked a renewed interest in the search for other anomalous objects in the universe. As astronomers comb through existing data and plan new observations, the hope is that by finding more examples of this strange phenomenon, we can begin to piece together a clearer picture of what it is and how it fits into our broader understanding of the cosmos. In addition to its scientific implications, the discovery has also captured the public's imagination. News of the James Webb Space Telescope's finding quickly spread around the world, with headlines proclaiming it as one of the most important astronomical discoveries of the century. People from all walks of life have been captivated by the mystery of this object, speculating about what it might mean for the future of humanity. Some see it as a sign that we are on the brink of a new era of space exploration, one in which we will finally unlock the secrets of the universe and perhaps even make contact with other intelligent beings. Others view it as a reminder of how little we truly know about the cosmos and how much there is still to discover. The discovery has also prompted philosophical and theological discussions as people grapple with the implications of such a profound and mysterious find. Some have suggested that the object might be evidence of a higher power, a cosmic creator that has shaped the universe according to a grand design. Others see it as a challenge to traditional beliefs, forcing us to reconsider our place in the universe and our understanding of existence itself. Whatever one's perspective, there is no denying that the discovery has touched a deep chord in the human psyche, stirring our innate curiosity and desire to understand the world around us. As the investigation into this object continues, there is a growing sense that we are on the cusp of a major scientific breakthrough. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its unparalleled capabilities, has opened a new window into the universe, revealing sights and phenomena that were previously hidden from view. But as exciting as this discovery is, it is also a reminder of how much we still have to learn. The universe is vast and mysterious, and despite all our advancements, we have only just begun to scratch the surface of its secrets. The scientific community is now faced with the daunting task of trying to explain what this object is and what it means. This will likely involve revisiting some of the most fundamental concepts in physics and astronomy, challenging long-held assumptions, and developing new theories to account for what we are seeing. It may also require the development of new technologies and techniques as we strive to study this object in greater detail and explore its surroundings. This could lead to a new era of space exploration as scientists seek to uncover the mysteries of the universe and push the boundaries of human knowledge. In the meantime, the discovery of this shocking object has also highlighted the importance of continued investment in space research and exploration. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its cutting-edge technology and innovative design, represents the culmination of decades of work by thousands of scientists, engineers, and technicians from around the world. Its success is a testament to the power of human collaboration and the value of scientific inquiry. As we look to the future, it is clear that there are still many more mysteries to unravel, and the James Webb Space Telescope is poised to play a key role in that journey. As we dive deeper into the implications of the James Webb Space Telescope's JWST discovery, it's important to recognize the context within which this remarkable event occurred. This celestial find isn't just a single data point. It's part of a broader narrative that spans decades of scientific inquiry, technological advancement, and philosophical debate. To fully appreciate the significance of this discovery, we need to explore the historical and scientific context that led us to this point, the technological marvel that is the JWST, and the various hypotheses that scientists are currently debating. The idea that the universe is a place of wonder and mystery is not new. Since the dawn of civilization, humans have looked up at the night sky with a sense of awe, crafting stories and theories to explain the lights they saw. Ancient cultures, from the Babylonians to the Greeks, and from the Egyptians to the Mayans, all had their own cosmologies, systems of belief about the nature of the universe. Many of these early theories were based on the observation of celestial bodies, like the sun, moon, and stars, and their movements across the sky. However, it wasn't until the development of the scientific method during the Renaissance that humanity began to systematically study the heavens. Pioneers like Galileo Galilei, Johannes Kepler, and Isaac Newton laid the foundations for modern astronomy, using mathematics and experimentation to understand the forces that govern the cosmos. Their work led to the realization that the Earth was not the center of the universe, but rather a small part of a vast, expanding cosmos filled with stars, planets, and other celestial objects. As technology advanced, so too did our ability to observe and understand the universe. The invention of the telescope in the early 17th century revolutionized astronomy, allowing scientists to see farther and in greater detail than ever before. With each new generation of telescopes, our view of the universe expanded, revealing more of its secrets. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990, was a particularly significant milestone, providing breathtaking images of distant galaxies, nebulae, and other celestial phenomena that had never been seen before. But as remarkable as the Hubble was, it had its limitations. Its primary focus was on visible light, the type of light that humans can see with their eyes. However, much of the universe is invisible to us, emitting radiation in wavelengths that our eyes cannot detect, such as infrared, ultraviolet, and X-rays. To truly understand the universe, we needed a telescope that could see beyond the visible spectrum, one that could peer into the dark, hidden corners of space where the most intriguing mysteries lie. This is where the James Webb Space Telescope comes in. Named after James E. Webb, the administrator of NASA during the Apollo program, the JWST was designed to be the successor to the Hubble, with a primary focus on infrared astronomy. Its construction was a monumental undertaking, involving thousands of scientists, engineers, and technicians from around the world. The telescope's primary mirror is the largest ever built for a space telescope, measuring 6.5 meters in diameter, and its instruments are among the most sensitive ever created. One of the key goals of the JWST was to study the formation of galaxies, stars, and planetary systems, as well as to search for signs of life on exoplanets, planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. By observing the universe in infrared, the telescope can peer through the dense clouds of gas and dust that often obscure these objects, revealing details that would otherwise be hidden. This capability has already led to a number of groundbreaking discoveries, including the detection of water vapor in the atmosphere of an exoplanet and the observation of some of the oldest galaxies in the universe. But the discovery of this shocking object is perhaps the most significant finding yet. It represents a direct challenge to our current understanding of the universe, raising questions that scientists are only beginning to grapple with. The fact that this object does not conform to the known laws of physics is particularly troubling, as it suggests that there may be fundamental aspects of the universe that we do not yet understand. As scientists continue to study this object, several hypotheses have emerged to explain its nature. One of the most intriguing possibilities is that the object is composed of a previously unknown type of matter, one that does not interact with light in the same way as ordinary matter. This would explain its unusual spectral signature and its apparent ability to emit energy without any discernible source. Such a discovery would have profound implications for our understanding of the universe, potentially leading to the identification of new forces or particles that could help to explain other cosmic mysteries. Another possibility is that the object is a manifestation of a higher dimensional phenomenon, something that exists in more than the three spatial dimensions that we are familiar with. According to this hypothesis, the object might be a kind of projection from a higher dimensional space into our own, which would explain its strange size and shape, as well as its ability to distort spacetime. If true, this would be a major breakthrough in our understanding of the universe, providing evidence for the existence of extra dimensions that have long been hypothesized by some physicists. A third hypothesis is that the object is the result of an advanced alien civilization, one that has achieved a level of technological sophistication far beyond our own. This idea, while speculative, is not without precedent. The concept of a Dyson sphere, a hypothetical structure built around a star to capture its energy, has been proposed as a possible explanation for certain anomalous astronomical observations. However, the object discovered by the JWST seems to be on an even grander scale, possibly encompassing entire galaxies. Whatever the true nature of this object, it is clear that we are only beginning to scratch the surface of its mysteries. The discovery has sparked a renewed interest in the study of the universe, with scientists from a variety of disciplines coming together to analyze the data and develop new theories. As more observations are made and more data is collected, we can expect to learn even more about this enigmatic object and its implications for our understanding of the cosmos. In conclusion, the discovery made by the James Webb Space Telescope is a reminder of the boundless curiosity that drives us to explore the universe. As we look to the future, it is clear that there are still many more mysteries to unravel, and the JWST is poised to play a key role in that journey. Whether it leads to the identification of new types of matter, the confirmation of extra dimensions, or the discovery of advanced alien civilizations, one thing is certain: the universe is far stranger and more wondrous than we ever imagined. And as we continue to explore it, we can only imagine what other incredible discoveries await us.